In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Injustice Gods Among Us on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Injustice Gods Among Us is available on various different platforms, including PC. So it is going to be available on PC, on the Google Play Store for mobile devices, on the App Store as well, and finally, PlayStation consoles. There are other platforms as well, but of course, the main one that I want to focus on in this video is PC. If you want to play Injustice Gods Among Us officially on PC, all that you have to do is purchase it on Steam. So, if you look for the game, you will find it under the Ultimate Edition. This will include a bunch of extra stuff alongside, of course, the base game. You also have a bundle that is going to have Injustice 2 Legendary Edition, so keep that in mind. If you scroll down, you will see the system requirements, but overall, they are very easy to run. So, as long as you meet the minimum requirements, which usually you will because all of this is very outdated hardware, you will be able to enjoy Injustice Gods Among Us on any PC. So all that you have to do is purchase the game through Steam. If you have never used Steam before, you will download the launcher into your PC, and then once you have it purchased under your account and you sign into the launcher, you will find the option to install the game. Like I said before, you are also going to have Injustice 2 on Steam, and you can browse through the game. So this is the sequel that was released in 2017, and you can look for similar games by going to either Steam page. You will be able to find other Warner Bros. Titles here, so choose whichever one you want to purchase, including Injustice Gods Among Us. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.